Doordash is the leading food delivery app in the USA, with over 390,000 partner restaurants and 18 million users. Doordash was founded in 2013 by Tony Xu, Andy Pham, and Stanley Tang. The three Stanford students were inspired to start Doordash after having a difficult time finding food delivery options in their area. Doordash started out by delivering food from a small number of restaurants in Palo Alto, California. But the company quickly expanded to other cities across the US. Doordash's business expansion was fueled by a number of factors, including aggressive investment. Doordash raised over $1 billion in venture capital funding, which allowed the company to expand rapidly. Partnerships. Doordash partnered with a wide range of restaurants, from fast food chains to fine dining establishments. Marketing. Doordash invested heavily in marketing to raise awareness of its brand and service. There are a few key factors that have contributed to Doordash's success. Convenience. Doordash makes it easy for people to order food from their favorite restaurants without having to leave their homes or offices. Variety. Doordash offers a wide variety of restaurants to choose from, including everything from fast food to fine dining. Affordability. Doordash often offers discounts and promotions on food orders. Reliability. Doordash has a reputation for delivering food on time and in good condition. Solve a real problem. Doordash solved a real problem for people who were tired of having to cook or go out to eat every night. Focus on user experience. Doordash made its online and mobile ordering platform as user-friendly as possible. Build partnerships. Doordash partnered with restaurants across the US to offer its service. Invest in marketing. Doordash invested heavily in marketing to raise awareness of its brand and service. By following Doordash's lead, startups can also achieve success. Throwcode is a web development and digital marketing company with more than 500 clients across the world. Throwcode can help startups and businesses of all sizes create user-friendly websites and mobile apps, and develop and execute effective marketing campaigns. If you are a startup owner and looking for a restaurant app, contact Throwcode today to learn more about how they can help you achieve your goals.